In Levantine Arabic, we don't have a specific word to say already, as in, I already saw this movie. Instead, we use different words and phrases. Today, I will go over the most common ways to say already in Levantine Arabic. Yalla, let's start. Are you ready to take your Levantine Arabic to the next level? Then head to my website and you will find quick reviews with all the words and phrases from each lesson, podcasts for on-the-go learning, and flashcards for effective study and repetition. Best of luck on your language learning adventure. The word we will use to express already in Levantine dialect depends on the situation. So if we want to talk about something has happened before or has been done previously, we would use سبق or من قبل. Let's see some examples. So if your friend is complaining about something bad that has happened and you want to say, I've already warned you about this, you will say, سبق حذرتك من هذا الشيء. سبق has different meanings. We are using it here to express already in the meaning of previously. حذرت, I warned. We are adding the ak at the end to say you. حذرتك, I warned you, masculine. If you are talking to a woman, you will say حذرتك. حذرتك, حذرتك. من, it is from. هالشي, it is a short for had الشي. Had, it is the demonstrative this in the masculine form. And we are using the masculine because our word she is masculine. I talked about all the demonstratives in Levantine dialect and how to use them. In this lesson, you could check them if you didn't see them yet. Okay, so we have the masculine form of this had. And as I said in the demonstratives lesson, if we have the close demonstratives, this and these, we could, and the word after has il, we could drop the rest of the word and just use the first letter, which is ha, and connect it to the word after it. Our word is il, she. But our word has a sun letter, which is sheen, because we use the teeth to pronounce it. And I already talked also about sun and moon letters and all the rules to use them. You could check them over there. So when we want to connect the ha to ishi, because our first letter is a sun letter, we could drop the il altogether and connect the ha directly to the sheen, and it would be altogether hashi, hashi, without pronouncing the il. سبق حذرتك من هالشي. Someone is talking about the same topic again and again, and you want to say, we've already talked about this topic. You could say, سبق حكينا بهالموضوع. سبق, it's expressing already. حكينا, we talked. بهالموضوع, it's a short for be, in. In Levantine dialect, we use the preposition be, in, when we want to talk, when we want to say we talked about this topic. So in Levantine dialect, it is be, not about. سبق حكينا be, and then we have had, again the demonstrative, and also we are using only the ha from had, and then الموضوع. And our first letter is a moon letter. So in this case, we will drop the a and connect ba and ha to the la, and then it would be pronounced بهالموضوع. بهالموضوع. سبق حكينا بهالموضوع. In a situation where someone is asking you to do something, but something has been already done, and there's no need for what they are asking for. In this case, you could use خلاص, finished, as it is for the different people, or you could conjugate it according to the different people, and you could just say خلصت, خلصنا. It depends on who you are talking about. So if someone is asking you to pay the bills tomorrow, but you've already paid them, they will ask you, ممكن تدفع الفواتير بكرة, and you could answer دفعتن وخلصت. So ممكن has different meanings, but when it is followed by a present verb, it means can or is it possible. ممكن تدفع, here can you pay to a man. If you are talking to a woman, ممكن تدفعي. ممكن تدفع, ممكن تدفعي. الفواتير, the bills. The singular is فاتورة and the plural is فواتير. So ممكن تدفع الفواتير بكرة. Can you pay the bills tomorrow? دفعت هون, I paid them. دفعت, I paid. The suffix هون, it is them. It's referring to the bills. I have a full lesson about the suffixes and how to use them in Levantine dialect. You can check them over there. دفعت هون وخلصت. خلصت, I finished. And we use here و just to connect the sentence together. دفعت هون وخلصت. So here we are conjugating the verb خلصت, or we could just say خلاص دفعت هون. There's no difference in the meaning. It's just how you are forming the sentence. ممكن تدفع الفواتير بكرة. خلاص دفعتهم. Or if someone is asking you to pick up some bread on your way, but you've already arrived, they will ask you ممكن تشتري خبز بطريقك, and you could answer وصلت وخلصت. ممكن تشتري, can you buy. تشتري is a verb ending with E, so we'd use the same verb to talk to a man or a woman. ممكن تشتري خبز, bread, بطريقك, in your way. ممكن تشتري خبز بطريقك. وصلت وخلصت. وصلت, I arrived. وخلصت, I'm done. And you could say خلاص وصلت. ممكن تشتري خبز بطريقك. خلاص وصلت. Another word to express already, أصلاً. The exact meaning is originally. We use it with active and passive participle and present continuous to say something is already going on and something else cannot be done. So for example, if you want to say we cannot stop for coffee, we are already late. ما فينا نوقف مشان قهوة أصلاً متأخرين. ما فينا, we cannot. نوقف, we stop. مشان, for, قهوة, coffee. ما فينا نوقف مشان قهوة. أصلاً متأخرين. We are already late. متأخرين is a passive participle. أصلاً متأخرين, we are already late. ما فينا نوقف مشان قهوة. أصلاً متأخرين. Here's another situation. When you get hungry, we will eat. I'm already hungry. لما تجوع بناكل. أصلاً جوعان. لما تجوع, when you get hungry. لما تجوعي, if you are talking to a woman. بناكل, we will eat. Here we are using the present simple. We are saying ناكل with the ma instead of the ba because it is we. Always we use ma instead of ba. بناكل, we eat, because we are talking about certain future. لما تجوع بناكل. أصلاً جوعان. I'm already hungry. جوعان, it's an active participle and the feminine is جوعانة. لما تجوعي بناكل. أصلاً جوعانة. If you want to say I can't eat spicy food, my stomach hurts already, you could say ما فيني آكل حد, معدتي أصلاً عم توجعني. ما فيني, I can't. آكل, I eat. حد, it is spicy. In Arabic, we don't need to use the word food, أكل. We could say أكل حد, but we don't really need it. It's enough just to say حد. ما فيني آكل حد. أصلاً, originally, or already. معدتي, my stomach, عم توجعني. In Arabic, when we want to say something is hurting, now we will use the present continuous and we will conjugate it according to what is hurting us in our body. And then we have always to attach the suffix ni at the end. توجعني. توجع, she is hurting because معدة is a feminine word, so we will use the feminine she verb from وجع. So معدتي عم توجعني. My stomach is hurting me if we want to translate it literally. ما فيني آكل حد أصلاً معدتي عم توجعني. If you are surprised by something already done quicker than you expect, you could use بهالسرعة. بهالسرعة is a short for بهي السرعة. B it is in, هي the feminine demonstrative this, السرعة the speed when it is by itself. But now all together بهالسرعة that quick. So for sure we are dropping the E from هي and we are dropping the L in السرعة because the sin also it's a sun letter. So هالسرعة بهالسرعة. بهالسرعة. If someone arrived faster than you expect and you want to say you already arrived, I thought you will arrive in an hour. بهالسرعة وصلت فكرت رح توصل بعد ساعة. بهالسرعة that quick or already here. وصلت you arrived. وصلتي if you are talking to a woman. فكرتك I thought. فكرت I thought. أك here you masculine. فكرتك if you are talking to a woman. رح توصل you will arrive. رح توصلي to a woman. بعد ساعة بعد it is after ساعة an hour. بعد ساعة. بهالسرعة وصلت فكرتك رح توصل بعد ساعة. The way we express already in Levantine dialect is quite subtle. You could give me some English examples in the comments using already and I will help you out with the Arabic. I'm waiting for your comments. See you next time. Yalla bye.